Hello everyone, Jason Young here, and today we're going to be talking about hurricane deductibles, the dreaded hurricane deductibles that you shouldn't have. I want everyone to, when they get a moment, to take out your home insurance policy and put this video on at the same time. I want you to look at it and see if you have a hurricane deductible. If you do have a hurricane deductible, you want that taken off, and I'll give you the reason why. The first reason is because if you look under your Section A of your policy, it'll say dwelling, and there'll be some numbers under dwelling, other structures, all loss of use. All those numbers on there are supposed to be in favor for you, not the insurance company. Most people don't know what those numbers mean. Actually, nobody really knows what those figures mean, let's be honest. That's why you want to contact the public adjuster, someone who can help you interpret that information. But under your policy, if you look under dwelling, Section A, say if this says $350,000, that $350,000 is not meaning that that's market value for your home. That's how much it would cost to rebuild your home in case if you had a catastrophic loss. Under that, a little bit underneath, you're going to see a deductible. Now, you only want one deductible. You want a good deductible that's low enough, pretty much not too high. All right, but under the hurricane deductible, if it shows that, it'll say a lot of times now it's showing a percentage. Say if it says 5%. Now you say 5% of what? It's not the amount of damage you have. It's 5% of the dwelling amount. So say if your dwelling is $350,000 and you have a 5% hurricane deductible, that comes to $1,750, which is insane. You definitely want that taken off because you shouldn't have to pay $1,750 for a hurricane deductible when your deductible on the other side for other perils is a lot less. You definitely don't want that. You definitely don't want it too if you don't even live in a hurricane-prone area. The people at the shore, you still don't want a hurricane deductible. However, chances are you're going to have a hard time finding an insurance policy that doesn't have it if you're living at the shore. However, you could still try to contact an insurance broker to see exactly what they would recommend. Now, as far as anybody living inland, that's what I would recommend you to do. Contact your insurance company. Let them know that you don't want the hurricane deductible on there. Now, they might hem and haw and make an excuse, say it's mandatory. But I could give you some advice. It's not mandatory. It's not mandatory in the state of New Jersey for a hurricane deductible to be on your policy. Insurance companies are starting to get a little bold now because they're starting to put it right on there, and they're getting away with it because nobody knows what it means. People are not raising questions. They're not raising eyebrows exactly what this is. They're not questioning it at all. They don't even look at their policy. That's why most homeowners are getting taken advantage of, and they don't realize it. All homeowners know what's on their mortgage. They know what's on their cable. They know what's on their credit card bills and public service. Even car insurance, people know what's on there. But as far as homeowner insurance, it's like a big gray cloud, a gray area that really nobody knows anything about. That, and they're taking advantage of people. That's why you want to contact the public adjuster, just for that reason alone, so you're not being taken advantage of in any situation. And when was the last? And people tell me, I hear this too, that I've been with the insurance company for years and they're taking good care of me. How? If you have a hurricane deductible, how's that being taken care of you? They're not looking out for you. They don't want to pay. They don't want to pay. When was the last time your insurance company, your insurance agent actually called you and said, I want to schedule for a policy review for you and let you know what type of coverage you have? If they were right there for you and they were that good to you, they would be doing that annually every time the insurance policy was about to be renewed. But they don't do that. They don't want you to know what's on your policy. That's why they make things for you harder to understand. And they're able to sneak it in there because they know nobody looks at their policy. That's why you want to contact the public adjuster, such as myself. I can help you interpret that information. I can tell you what type of coverage you have, what type of coverage you should have, make any recommendations as needed, let you know what your deductible is, stuff that you should already know anyway, but there's a lot of things, like I said earlier, under the dwelling, other structures, the loss of use, stuff in your personal property. All that stuff with those numbers on there are there to benefit you, not the insurance company. There's numbers on there for a reason. It's all for you. But a lot of times people don't know that. So the insurance company, they just throw things in there. Okay, let's see what we can get away with. And they've been getting away with things just because of the fact that nobody questions it and says they don't want it. You know, you don't have to have anything that's on your policy, especially if it doesn't have any, doesn't pertain to you. Another thing too is you want to contact your family and friends and neighbors, people. If it's mandatory, where you're at, your family and friends and neighbors would all have the same type of policy coverage, no matter who the insurance company is. That's why they're all different. That's why they can get away with things, because they know they're all different. You know, you want the perfect type of coverage for your home. You got to know what type of coverage that you're looking for. You got to know what type of coverage you should have. What I want to do is, like I said, once you look at your policy, give me a call. I can sit down with you for a free policy review. There's no money out of pocket. And I want to educate you on your policy, because my job is to educate and protect you, is to help you out in the time, so you won't be getting taken advantage of. What I'm going to do now, we're going to end this, and you can give me a call, please, and I can help you out in any other questions that you might have too, because it's going to raise questions, especially if once you start looking at your policy, you're going to say, well, what's this part? What's this? And I'll be able to answer it all for you. My name again is Jason Young. You can find me on YouTube, NJ Public Adjuster. And please like, comment, and subscribe to my page, because videos are going to keep coming out regarding different subjects of homeowners insurance, and as far as how to protect the homeowner.